Hi, my name is Kaan Taşdemir from SA 380 and I will be representing my homework too. Here as you can see there is app bar and there is text widgets and elevated button find out. As you can see I have stateless widget and then there's constructor. I am overriding to build and there's scaffold which have app bar and its default color is purple as you can see, and it has title as text homework 2, and there's body which have center. It will center what its child, and its column have a text widgets, and then there's final elevated button which have child as a find out widget, find out text widget. As you can see my logs right center title false and upward. I removed all comment files and incrementing out there and then added these things. Now I will show you my homework task 2. There's text widgets, elevated button and another text. As you can see I changed it, the elevated button as number finder widget. It's stateful widget and it has a state named number finder state. As you can see in there I have a variable named int number as initialized as -1 -1, and then when we activate the find out button it calls find number method which have a set state, and it calls a number from 10 to 1011. So when we click on find out, random numbers appear on the screen because of the stateful widgets. It updates whenever we clicked on it. And now I will show you my logs. It was empty, it was blank on pressed. Now I will show you the task 3. What's changed? Now we have single child scroll view as a body part, so we can scroll view and its child column, so we can add all of these 100 text widgets and the number finder widget. I used Spreader and all of them is in function, so it's work. You can scroll and you can click. There isn't much to say. I use single child scroll view and spreader button. You can see my work history. I tried alignment, but I didn't need it much. And finally task 4. So what I have changed, I changed the single child scroll view. I wrapped it in a column, so I could have different widgets in this child. I started with colored box, and I use child align so that I can align the text widget in top left, as you can see in the video, and it have a child text as top. Then we have expanded as in the middle part, and these expanded have column widgets, and these the columns children is also expanded in a two. One of them is single child scroll view, as you can see. It's very much like in the task 3. And then I have another expanded, which is a light blue area in the emulator. It just have one number finder widget, and it's return number between 10 and 100. And there's another color box at the bottom. They are same at the top with top. That's pretty much it. So let's look at the local history, what I have changed. I changed the color. I changed the min size. Without it, it was going off on the height. I guess that's all. Thank you for listening to me. Have a good one.